Welcome everyone for my YouTube channel. Actually, today I'm going to speak about a very special topic because most of the Sri Lankan parents and most of the Sri Lankan students are asking this question. So, how to improve our spoken ability? Especially, they asking this question. Not only that, some students and parents are asking how to improve our English knowledge. Actually, it's a big question, but it's the way of doing it is very simple. Actually, now I'm speaking here in English, but when I consider about my school time, actually I couldn't speak in English because I was from a very poor family. I had no any friends who were speaking in English. I had a lot of challenges. So through my journey, I studied how to speak in English, but actually it wasn't something difficult. But now I am now I am doing everything well. I have no barriers. So there are few methods you should follow to improve your spoken English ability. Not only that, even to improve your English knowledge. Right, most of these Sri Lankan students are studying for O-level exam. They are asking for an A. So how to get an A pass for my A-level O-level exam, or some asking about A levels also. But actually it is not, it shouldn't be, that you are asking the same question. But the thing is, if you study English, having an A pass is not a difficult thing. It would be definitely very easy to achieve it. So the thing is, almost all of the students are following the guidance which are given by the pupils books, and they are doing exercises which are on workbooks. They are doing so, but most of our school students, not only school students but even our adults also, don't speak in English. They are actually not fluent in English. Then actually the people who have no not ability to speak in English, they are facing for many troubles when we are trying to get a job. It is the bad side of this. So anyway, today I came with few solutions to improve your spoken ability, and especially to improve your English knowledge. I have few questions for you. The first thing, have you ever read any English novel or any English book, any English article? Simply your answer probably would be no sir, I didn't. If not sir, no sir, I can't, I couldn't. So this may be the answer. So I think it shouldn't be. You have to try. Sometimes in the beginning you wouldn't be able to read a full novel, right? And an article or anything else, you couldn't be completed. You wouldn't be completed. But as a human, you should try it. From the beginning, you wouldn't be able. I also faced the same thing in my in the beginning of trying to get this language. Trying to When I was trying to catch this language, I also faced for the same thing. But I didn't give up. Always I tried to read in English. I referred English newspapers, especially Sunday Observer. Not only that, I completed several books, right? English novels. Now I think I have good knowledge, and as well as I am working as an English teacher in a reputed school, government school, the national school. So I do my job properly because I dedicated so many things. But when I consider about present, I have no time to dedicate for English, but those days I did it. So now I am okay. Now the special message I have to deliver here for all the students who are willing to study English. The basic thing is, you have to read. And you have now almost all the students have access to the internet. Those days we didn't it. Actually, I had no that kind of those kind of opportunities in my past, but all of you have that access to the internet. Then you can use YouTube, you can watch English interviews, you can watch talk shows. So these everything will help to improve your English knowledge and ability to speak in English. So I'm not talking to only Sinhala Sri Lankan students. Even I'm talking if you are in another country. So it is actually relevant to you also, because if you have actually needness to speak in English, then it's better to read. Secondly, you can watch YouTube. You have the facility, then you can use it. If you have, that means if you are watching this video clip, that means you have the facility, so you can easily access to the internet, YouTube, and you can use. It's the best way. And I have a special message for parents. Why don't you bring books for your kids? Then it's time to start now. Bring 1 or 2 novels, bring it tomorrow itself, and give them to read. Right? They will read it, and they will catch some words. They will use special dictionaries. Now all of the smartphones have the dictionaries. Then easily they can access to the dictionary, not like our past, because we had to refer a big book. Right? Now you have simple ways to improve your knowledge. So I think the next one is try to talk in English. Actually, we are here English teachers. Then if you need, you can make me a call and talk with me in English. I also always I welcome your calls. So I think these kind of resources can be used to improve yourself. Don't actually, when we consider about the teachers can't improve you much, because teachers are the people who are giving you knowledge. Actually, in schools we have no time to do everything. Actually, we have no time to talk with you, because it's just like a waste in time, because we have to cover a big syllabus there. So almost all the teachers are following the guidance which are given by the Ministry of Education. Actually, we have no time to do all the things practically at the schools. That's why we can't do it. But the thing is, actually, if you need, you can get advices from teachers. All the teachers are very capable, right? They know how to do this. Definitely they will guide you. Most important thing is guidance here. If you have a good guidance, so you can achieve it. I think if you have any needness to improve your spoken English ability, then it's better to touch with your English teacher. And also you have to get 2-3 books. It's better to get English translation of Madulu, Ambayalu. These books are very simple, and it's very easy to understand. So I think you, especially parents, would bring books, English books for your kids. And I think students also will try to read. So I think you would be able to use English in your future for a better opportunity. For better opportunities, you have to do so. I wish you all the best. I think you would do it, and you will achieve a higher place here with English. So I think it's better to meet in another video, saying how to with tricks to improve your spoken ability. I am Dushmanta here to always help you for improving your spoken ability. I am targeting especially spoken ability, because most of the people have no that ability. Then they are facing for a lot of troubles. Actually, not even in their jobs. Even actually when we are considering now the situation has changed, so you have to use English everywhere. So when you are going on the bus, or when you are going to a party, so you would have to use English. So then because most of the people are using English, then you have to get used to it. All right, I think it's better to start here with me. So I think you with me, so try to do it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.